In this video, I will walk you through how to create different types of content items in EOwn and Stream Editor. Each type comes with its own features and templates that you can create content from scratch using our creation tool or customize templates from our library. First, if you create a content stream from a stream template, it will come with a list of content items that our team pre-selected for that topic, so you can save time by quickly editing existing content. At the Create step on the Stream Editor, you can edit the sample content, change it to other similar content, and delete or edit the sample content. Finally, click the Confirm button to preview the updated content stream on the right panel. You can also preview your content stream before publishing to use it officially. You can add many content formats with different methods into a content stream. For example, you can create a property listing simply by clicking on Add a Content Listing, Create New. Input the address and click Parse Property. It will automatically get all the listing information and images from Zillow, so you won't have to manually input them. You can also customize the listing CTA with your avatar, contact form, and appointment schedule. You can reuse or edit all the past created property listings by clicking at Content, Listing, Past Listing, or view their performance on Manage My Listing on the dashboard. Next, to add a graphic using a template from your EOwn library, click Create, Graphic, Use Library. You will find hundreds of professional graphics and filter them by graphic types, topics, or search by keywords. Customizable graphics will have two buttons: Edit Templates and Use Image. Click Use Image if you just want to pull the graphic directly to the editor and edit them later. With stock images in the library, they only have one button: Use Image. Also, you can edit them on Canva Editor and publish it right back to your content stream with just a few clicks. Not much hassle to transfer your work here. For example, click the Edit Templates button right here to edit the graphic on the Canva editor. On Canva, you can edit text, add logos, images, or other design components to the graphic template. When you finish, click the Share button. More, search for EOwn app and connect directly to your EOwn account. Finally, select the folder you want and click Save. It will automatically pull the updated graphics back to your EOwn account. Click Save and Close button. Then you will find the updated image on the Stream Editor. You can access the graphics that you edited or uploaded in the past in the tab Created Content. If you want to use your own graphic, click Create Graphic, Create Graphic. You have options to upload from your device, paste an image link, or use a stock image in Unsplash or Canva. Similarly, you can write an article from scratch in our blog editor, or choose a ready-to-use article from our library of created and curated articles. For our created article template, you can edit all the text and feature images of the article to your own liking. You can also add forms or quizzes from our form library, or create a form from scratch to collect information about your prospects. If you already have your content on other websites, you can add them as a curated web link into Content Stream. You can manually paste a web link into this URL field, or use Pocket to bookmark any websites you stumble upon, and then pull them into my curated content library to use later. You can curate it or embed any type of web links such as articles, videos, maps, calendars, cloud files, social media posts, and much more. Once you add a web link or any content, click the Confirm button and EOwn will turn it into a visual card.